I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming basic prerequisites. Make sure your Apple Watch is charged and near your paired iPhone. Open the Watch app on your iPhone or go straight to settings on the watch if you prefer. Once done, back up your watch data to iCloud or your iPhone. This preserves complications, app layout, and settings. Now, navigate to Face Gallery in the Watch app or press firmly on the current face on the watch to enter edit mode and start the reset workflow. Now you perform the core reset steps. In the Watch app's Face Gallery, select a default face to replace the current one, or on the watch press and hold the display, swipe up to reveal the Remove option and delete the face. Once removed, add a new face or tap Edit on an existing face. Rotate the digital crown to reset complications and layout. Make deliberate choices for complications and colors, because these settings determine glanceable info and battery. Finish by syncing your chosen face setup back to the watch and verifying complications update correctly. Give the devices a minute to communicate. If the new face won't apply, restart your Apple Watch and iPhone. This clears transient errors and often resolves sync issues. Make sure Bluetooth is on and both devices are unlocked. If problems persist, unpair and repair the watch or restore from the backup you made earlier. That recovers layouts and settings while resolving deeper software glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.